Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a loose golf club head. First, understand that a loose club head is usually caused by the epoxy bond failing between the shaft and the head, often due to repeated impacts or temperature changes. This problem can drastically affect your game, leading to inconsistent shots and a loss of confidence. Addressing it promptly ensures your club performs as intended, maintaining both accuracy and power on the course. Before starting, gather your essential tools. You'll need a good quality 2-part golf club epoxy, a sturdy vise to secure the shaft, and a heat gun or small torch to safely remove the old head. Also, have some medium grit sandpaper, a small wire brush, and a clean cloth ready. These items are crucial for properly preparing the surfaces and ensuring a strong, lasting bond. Begin by gently heating the club head's hosel with your heat gun for about 30 seconds to 1 minute, carefully twisting to remove the head. Once separated, use sandpaper and a wire brush to meticulously clean all old epoxy residue from both the shaft tip and the inside of the club head's hosel. This step is vital for a strong new bond. Next, mix your 2-part epoxy according to the manufacturer's instructions and apply a generous, even coat to the shaft tip. With the epoxy applied, carefully insert the shaft into the club head, ensuring it's fully seated and correctly aligned. Wipe away any excess epoxy immediately. Now, the most important step is patience. Allow the epoxy to cure undisturbed for a minimum of 24 hours or even 48 hours for maximum strength. After curing, gently test the club for any movement or looseness. Once solid, your club is ready for the course.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.